All new from Bootstrap Farmer. Lock channel options, made in the USA. Double lock channel and deep lock channel. Perfect for multi-layer greenhouses. Great for insect netting, 6mm plastics, light deprivation, shade cloth, woven poly, and batten straps. Easily install and remove multiple layers in one channel. Perfect for light depth greenhouses with light depth in walls, windscreens, double layer film with a woven poly top. Allows you to keep your roll-up sides functioning while adding different layers on top to suit your needs. Use double lock channel for your hip boards and deep lock channel on your end walls and base. Easily fit up to 40mm worth of coverings with spring wire. Made by Bootstrap Farmer in Texas.